50. It's been 50 years on this earth. Yes, today I'm celebrating my 50th birthday, and I came to my favorite place here. It's 50. I wanted to convey my gratitude to everything I received in this world, all the privileges. This year I'm not going to celebrate my birthday because I came here. This is a public place. This is one of my favorite spot in Rio de Janeiro. So this year I'm not going to celebrate my birthday because of the pandemic. It's not because the restaurants are not open, but I don't want to celebrate this 50th birthday. The reason is there are millions of people are dying this year because of the corona. Families are shattered. Mothers have lost families. Families are shattered. Mothers have lost their son, their kids, and there are too many widows. And this is not the right place to celebrate the birthday. It will be very cruel if I say I am going to celebrate my birthday. With these borrowed words, I wanted to say what I am feeling exactly at this moment when I am turning 50. This is the poetry. Many people say that Shakespeare has written this poetry, and there are three other people, those who say that it is their poetry, but just not. I'm not going in that controversy. This is a beautiful poetry. With these borrowed words, I wanted to convey what I'm feeling right now. After some time, you learn the difference, the subtle difference between giving a hand and fettering a soul. And you learn that to love doesn't mean to support yourself, and that company doesn't always mean security. And you learn that kisses are not contracts. You learn kisses are not contracts, and that gifts are not promises. And you start to accept your loss with your head up. You start to accept your loss with your head up and eyes straight ahead, with the grace of a grown-up, but not the sadness of a child. You learn to build the roads of today because tomorrow's land is too unknown. You learn to build the roads of today because tomorrow's land is too unknown to make plans, and the future usually falls from nowhere. And after a while you learn that the sun burns if you expose yourself to it for a very long period. And you learn that it doesn't matter how much you care. It doesn't matter how much you care. Some people just don't, and some people just don't accept you. It doesn't matter how good someone can be. They will hurt you once in a while. You have to forgive them for that. And you learn that talking can be a relief to emotional pain. And you learn that talking can be relief to emotional pain. You learn that it takes years to build trust and just seconds to destroy it. And you can do things in a second that पन्नासावा वाढदिवस साजरा करते आहे. खरं आहे तर कोरोनाच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर मी हा वाढदिवस साजरा करणार नाही आहे, कारण जगभरामध्ये इतके मृत्यू झालेले आहेत, इतक्या सगळ्या फॅमिलीज उद्ध्वस्त झालेल्या आहेत, रोजगाराचे प्रॉब्लेम झाले आहेत. अचानकपणे घरातलं कोणीतरी कर्ता पुरुष जातो आहे, बाई जाते घरातली, जिच्यामुळे घर पूर्ण शॅटर्ड होऊन गेलेलं आहे. अशा पार्श्वभूमीवर मला असं वाटतं की वाढदिवस जर मी साजरा केला तर ती फार क्रुएलिटी असेल. त्यामुळे मला ह्या वर्षीचा वाढदिवस साजरा करायचा नाही, पण मला ग्रॅटिट्यूड व्यक्त करायचं आहे. मला त्या सगळ्यांचे आभार मानायचे आहेत की ज्यांच्यामुळे ही वयाची 50 वर्ष खूप चांगली गेली. 4 देशात राहायला मिळालं, भारतातल्या 5 राज्यांमध्ये राहिले, जगातल्या 5 आंतरराष्ट्रीय भाषांमध्ये संवाद साधू शकते. आय कॅन होल्ड कन्व्हर्सेशन इन 5 इंटरनॅशनल लँग्वेजेस. भारताचं म्हणाल तर भारतातल्या 4-5 भाषा समजू शकतात. भारतीय संस्कृतीबद्दल आदर आहे, आणि त्याचबरोबर जगातल्या इतर संस्कृतीला जाणून घेण्याची संधी मिळाली, जाणून घेता आलं. माणुसकीच्या